Wise card added to Google Pay failed fix. Trying to add your Wise card to Google Pay but it keeps failing? Do not worry. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check the error message. If you see a message saying your Wise card can't be added, it usually means there's a temporary setup or verification issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off. Step 3. Update the Google Pay app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Google Play, and install any available updates. An outdated app can prevent your card from being added. Step 4. Contact Wise Support. If it still doesn't work, open the Wise app and contact support. They can check if your card is eligible for Google Pay in your region. Once everything is verified, try adding your Wise card again, and you should be good to go.